Okay, so this video is about installation of a battery tender of a Mercedes E350. This particular model is W212. I think all the Mercedes is pretty much the same. It's easy to do. Um, since the pandemic, I don't really drive the car that much. The car been sitting mostly 2 weeks or 1 week, and many times when I want to use the car battery just die on me. I've been using a charger. This one works great, and I've been using this charger to charge them. But then I have to wait for a few hours for it to get charged, and this one works great, by the way. The only problem is I have to open the hood, and I have to use this clamp to do it. So thinking about doing a little bit more permanent solution is to install the battery tender, which I have installed on my Land Cruiser, and you can actually see. And I always put it on a slow charger when the car is not used, and well, I put a battery tender on the windshield so that I know it's on the charger, so I don't drive the car away while the cable is connected. So this is the solution. I'm gonna do the same thing for this Mercedes E-Class, and I got this battery tender from Costco. I believe it's somewhere around $37 or something. It does come with a pigtail. I'll show you in a minute. And so here we go. And for the E-Class, the battery is actually in the back. Back relatively. It's not in the front grip like all the other cars. Mercedes usually put it on close to the fender, for the firewall, not the fender. Sorry. So here's the battery. This is the battery case. Take it off, and there's an air duct goes in. So this is the battery I already installed. Pretty much everything's already installed. So this is the pigtail I was talking about. It comes with a however you want to call it. I call it pigtail. You can call it whatever the extension cable or something. It's a fusible extension cable, and this is very important because I'm running the wire all the way to the front, and I'm gonna put it in the front so it's easy to hook up when the car is in park. But I am worried about in case I run into accident and cut the wire, something force cutting the wire, get short or something. So this fuse give me peace of mind. So hopefully this will be safe. Anyway, so I already connected the connector, the positive with the fusible connector goes to the positive wire, and this goes to the negative wire. This one I run okay. I run the wire underneath, just looks better. And there's a connector. So this connector is this is only give you about like 2 feet long or 18 inches. So to do that, I need to get a extension, 6-foot extension, and I got that from Amazon for like $8 or $9. So I'm gonna run the wire all the way to the front, and this is what happened. So I already ran it. So this is the cable. I put it obviously. Usually all the electrical work for the car, I put the additional protection. So I ran a plastic wrapper around it, and this is going to connect. I'm gonna check with the meter just to make sure everything's fine. Then I'm gonna connect those, and this wire run. Let me put the light on so you can actually see. I run underneath the wire, the weather strip, and coming down to here, and tuck it underneath the light fixture, and it goes all the way to the front. And I do have to remove the front grip and as well as the air duct for easy install. That's easy to do, no big deal. So here's the wire. Let me put on the light. So this is the wire, and there's a cover on the connector. So I plan to connect this to the bottom. Which way is the bottom? This way is the bottom, to the bottom somewhere here, and probably run a run a Ziploc tie to tie it against the fence so it won't fell in for me. So this is it, and very easy to do. Hopefully, will make my life easier of recharging, and also prolong the battery life. Cheers.